I get them all riled up, and you got to stand clear of them because... Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Alright, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I'm going to share with you how to get rid of a red ant's nest or any ant nest in a matter of a few hours. And what happens is they will no longer exist. It will completely kill the whole nest. Now let me show you what we're talking about. This looks like it's a dead nest, but it's not. Watch this. And they will get you. And they are by the millions in there. And they are searching right now to try to find who's messing with them. Watch what I do next. Alright, here's the same mound. In about an hour, they all settle down and go back inside. What I like to do is, Julio, tell everybody where they can get this amazing stuff.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Clint Eastwood. Now, I only see a couple of ants on there, but I'm going to stir it up, and this is how I do it. I get them all riled up, and you got to stand clear of them because they are nasty. I mean, they're on that stick just like that in no time, looking for something to bite. So I take this powder, and it stinks. You want to be upwind of it. All I have to do is sprinkle this on there like this. One bottle will do about 160 mounds. Just like that. Now, it's supposed to rain tonight. It won't matter. When I come back here tomorrow, or even later tonight, it'll be dead. That mound will be wiped out. And as you can see, they're trying to get to me here. They're searching everywhere they can. And if you've ever been bit by a fire ant or a red ant, that is not good. So we'll see here tomorrow, same time, about 12 noon on Thursday here in New Orleans. And there's tons of these red ants nests, fire ant. We'll check it tomorrow and you'll see that it'll be deader than a doornail. And I'll lay this stick right there so you know it's the same mound. Alright, what we did was, I waited an hour because I wanted to see really how fast this works. Nothing moving, don't see anything. See a bunch of them running around there a little bit. Let's see if an hour is long enough. Look at that. Nothing. 1 hour and they're all dead. Got a few stragglers hanging on right there, but by morning they will be dead. There's one really struggling to live right there. That stuff is potent. There you go, my friends. Mr. Know-It-All out.